Energy rules of ecosystem is also called energy flow of ecosystem. Energy flow of ecosystem. In every ecosystem, the biotic components are mainly three types. They are producers, consumers, decomposers. Producers are prepared food material in every ecosystem. Plants make own food by photosynthesis. So these green color plants are called producers. And consumers cannot prepare their own food. For the needed food consuming from the producers or from different types of consumers eats stuff for energy. Decomposers break down dead stuff for energy. So every ecosystem, these three types of components are present. They called biotic components. Based on the energy flow, percentage, we can establish a pyramid. It is a energy pyramid or energy flow pyramid. See, at the bottom of the pyramid, producers are present. Why they are placed at the bottom of the pyramid means the producers are prepared energy by the photosynthesis. This prepared energy is 100%. From this 100% of energy, 90% of energy is utilized for their activities by the producers, and remaining 10% of energy is stored in their plant pots. That 10% of energy is passed to next level. The 10% of energy is consumed by the herbivores. So producers prepared 100% of energy. The 100% of energy present in the plant pots, in the producers' pots. From that 100% of energy, 90% of energy utilized for their activities. Only 10% of energy is consumed by the herbivores. And producers are also called trophic level 1, T1. Trophic level 1, energy level 1. Energy level 1 is T1, trophic level 1. From the producers, only 10% of energy consumed by the herbivores. These herbivores are called trophic level 2, energy level 2. Trophic level 2 or energy level 2. From this 10% of energy, 9% of energy utilized for their activities by the herbivores. Only 1% of energy stored in their pots as a muscles, as a flesh. The 10% is consumed from the producers. From the 10%, 9% of energy is utilized by the herbivores' activities, and only 1% of energy stored as a flesh or a muscles in the herbivores. That 1% of energy is consumed by the carnivores. That is 1% of energy consumed from the carnivores, from the herbivores. Carnivores consumed only 1% of energy. These are called trophic level 3, T3. Trophic level 3 are also called energy level 3. These are consumed only 1% of energy from the herbivores. From this 1% of energy, 0.9% of energy utilized for their activities of carnivores, activities by the carnivores. 1% of energy consumed from the herbivores. From that 1% of energy, 0.9% of energy is utilized by their activities. What are the activities? Movement, reproduction, cell division, development. Like these all activities, respiration, need energy. For this needed energy, there is 0.9% of energy consumed for their activities. Only 0.1% energy stored in their body. That 0.1 energy is consumed by the secondary carnivores. 0.1% energy consumed by the secondary carnivores. These are also called trophic level 4 or energy level 4. There is 0.1 energy consumed from the carnivores. From this 0.1 energy, 0.09% of energy utilized for their activities by the secondary carnivores. Only 0.01 energy stored in their body as a flesh. That stored 0.01 energy is consumed by the apex predator or top carnivores. These are also called T5, trophic level 5. These are consumed 0.01% of energy only from the secondary carnivores. Based on these utilizing of energy from the producers to top carnivores, energy levels are rapidly decreased. So based on the utilizing of energy we arranged on a sequence position, we can build a pyramid like structure. The pyramid is called energy pyramid. 100% of energy is utilized, produced, 100% of energy produced by the producers. From that 100% energy, 90% of energy utilized by the producers. And only 10% of energy passed to herbivores or consumed by the herbivores. From this 10%, 9% of energy utilized by the herbivores, only 1% of energy passed to carnivores. And the carnivores are consumed only 1% of energy. From that 1% of energy, 0.9% of energy consumed by their activities, only 0.1% of energy consumed by the secondary carnivores. From this 0.1 energy, 0.09 energy utilized by the secondary carnivores and only 0.01 energy consumed by the top carnivores. Based on the percentage of utilizing of energy, we can easily establish energy pyramids. It is the energy flow. It is also called energy pyramid. Energy flow is also called energy pyramid. Trophic level 1, trophic level 2, trophic level 3, trophic level 4, trophic level 5. Trophic level 1 also called producers. Trophic level 2 also called herbivores. Trophic level 3 is also called carnivores. Trophic level 4, T4, is also called secondary carnivores. Trophic level 5 also called apex predators or top carnivores. It is the energy flow or energy pyramid.